In this video, let's know how to submit an assignment or share an attachment through Google Classroom.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to my channel Dr. Technosaurus NDL, and today let's know how to share an attachment through Google Classroom. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for such kind of videos. First, let's open Google Classroom app. Here, select the subject to which you need to share an attachment or submit the assignment. For example, I'll select any of the subject. Now tap on the option called Share with your class. Here you can write your name or the name of the assignment given. After that, tap on the option which is behind the share option. And after that, tap on the option File. And the next step, here select the document or the attachment or the PDF that you need to submit in the Google Classroom. I had already saved the PDF file in download. So select the PDF file. Now the file is getting loaded. After it gets loaded, the file appears here. Here it is. Now tap on the option Share. Then here it is. Now the file is shared with the classroom. You can delete it as well if you want. The attachment can be seen by your classmates as well as your teacher. Please share this video if it was helpful to you. Hit the like button and subscribe.